Hey guys, it's your boy Addy. Just enjoying the beautiful view of downtown LA. This here is my 2010 Dyna Super Glide Custom. I recently installed a brand new set of Viking bags. We're gonna go ahead and check them out. These here are one of Viking's best-selling saddlebags. They are the 27-liter Patriot Throw Over Saddlebags for Harley. As you can see, these bags are beautiful. MSRP is $187.99. They are constructed of 1680D nylon Cordura material. Dimensions on the bag are 13 inches by 6 3/4 by 9 inches high. Storage capacity is 1098 cubic inches, which is 38 cans combined. The lid opening is 12.5 inches by 6.5 inches wide. So let's check out the inside now. As you can see, it comes with the mole attachment on top. Inside you have a hi-vis interior. It has a storage compartment on the top with a rain poncho. And then once you go inside, you'll be able to see, once you're inside, you have 2 storage compartments. You could put tools, chargers, whatever you need in there, and it's quite spacious, to be honest. So now moving on to the other side. It's actually getting a little hot, so I'm gonna take off the hat. As you can see, the other side is pretty much the same. Beautiful mole attachment on the top. Easy open and closing with the zipper. Has a thick zipper, quality zippers. Here we go. Same thing. It's got a zipper with a waterproof cover for the motorcycle bag. Let's get in there. Check out the ton of space you have. It's a hi-vis red. Perfect for day trips. Commute to your work, whatever it might be. Just an amazing product. It looks beautiful. It's got a zipper in the front, on the side, with additional attachments. I'm pretty impressed and look forward to using these. Additionally, I added a water bottle holder back here, also from Viking. I'll put the link on the description. Bottle holder. Moving on to the other side, I picked up the Patriot motorcycle fuel bottle with the bottle holder. MSRP is $99.99. Bottle is made out of aluminum, and you can carry your fuel for longer trips. And as you can see, it matches the bag perfectly. Capacity for the bottle is 50 ounces. To finish the look, I also picked up the Renegade. It's the 1 liter Renegade motorcycle handlebar bag. MSRP is $49.99. It's pretty much a universal fit, and quality materials. I gotta say, I really like the material they've been using, and I filled it up with a few things: sunglasses, sanitizer, some chapstick, and pretty much fits the smaller things that you don't want to throw in your saddlebags. They do secure with Velcro straps on the back of the forks. And like I said, they're 1 liter and it's an easy install. The main reason why I got these bags was for my work commute. I want to be able to split lanes without worrying somebody else sideswiping me. They are lightweight. You can fit all your necessities, and I would recommend this if you're going out to day trips, either to the beach, to the desert, riding with the homies. You can fit pretty much everything you need. I got a drone, so I could fit my drone in there, an extra jacket, some water, a couple snacks, and you're covered. On top of that, you can attach whatever you need, like I did: water bottle holder, fuel can holder, and you're set for a little longer day trips. So with these bags, Purple Rain is summer ready, commute ready, and hanging with the homies ready. With that being said, have a nice day and see you on the next one.